Hello everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Repairs and Remodeling. A customer hired us to install a new dual flush water saving toilet. Right now here in San Diego we're mandated to save 35% on our water bills. And so they had an existing cooler one. But what happens here, folks, every time you engage the tank valve, see how it's offset a little bit? It would go back like that. It would go back like this and there'd be a little gap and water would leak through. See that? And the rubber gasket barely fits the nozzle, so it leaked all the time. So we're hoping we can save our customers a lot of water by installing this new water saving toilet. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your toilet replacements, any toilet repairs you have at your home or your office. We like to set out all the different parts. Then here is the dual flush. 2 drops are the 1.6 gallon flush, and the 1 drop is 1.1 gallon. So every time you do the one drop flush, you save about ½ a gallon per flush. And that makes quite a bit of a difference over the course of a day. Have a great day and watch our next video as we install the toilet. Hello everyone, this is Howard from San Diego Remodeling. A customer hired us to install a new dual flush water saving toilet. Originally, you can see from our other videos, they had a cooler toilet. What's nice about this is it's 2 flushes. You have the 1 drop, which is 1.1 gallons, and then you have the 2 drop, which is 1.6 gallons. Our phone number is area code 619-850-4794. You can call us for your toilet repairs and installations, any kind of water saving tips you may need at your home or your office.